Long-run exchange rate determinants. In the long run, exchange rates are primarily determined by purchasing power, parity or PPP, which suggests that the exchange rate between two currencies should adjust to equalize the prices of a basket of goods and services in both countries. Next is relative price levels. If the price level in one country is higher than in another, the currency of the country with the higher price level should spread to maintain PPP. And next is relative productivity. Countries with higher productivity tend to have stronger currencies, as they can produce goods and services more efficiently, leading to higher demand for their export. Next is relative interest rates. In the long run, interest rate differential between countries can influence exchange rates, but this effect is less pronounced than in the short run. And next is long-term economic growth. Countries with strong economic growth prospects tend to have appreciating currencies as investors anticipate high returns on their investment.